Welcome back student, I am Santosh Misra and we are studying the chapter 9 financial management and so many topics we are covered. So in this video I am going to discuss what is the fixed capital. Fixed capital refers to the investment in long term funds, long term fixed assets. Investment in fixed asset is for longer duration. So they must be financed through long term sources. Decision relating to fixed capital involve huge fund and it is irrecoverable. Means we cannot come back from that decision if it is taken once. So fixed capital is so much important for us. So sir, how can we decide? We are deciding about whether invest or not, whether sell or buy. All these type of decision comes in capital busting decision. So many factors affecting the requirement of fixed capital. Fixed capital are required for the fixed asset. Investing in fixed assets require the fixed capital. It is long term source of the finance, and all the fixed assets are to be purchased from long term source of finance. If we take short term source of finance and purchase some asset, then it may be risky, because after some time creditor will come and said that please return my money. So always buy the long term the assets through the long term fund, that is called fixed capital. Then what factor will affecting the requirement of fixed capital? First is nature of business. Manufacturing concern require huge investment in fixed asset, and thus huge fixed capital is required for them, but trading concern need less fixed capital. जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंसर्न होते हैं उनको बहुत सारी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करनी रहती है, प्लांट वगैरह इस्टेब्लिश करना रहता है, दैट्स वाई दे नीड फिक्स कैपिटल. और जो ट्रेडिंग रहते हैं उनको दे हैव नॉट टू डू द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्टिविटी, दे आर ओनली इंगेज्ड इन ट्रेडिंग एक्टिविटीज, दैट्स वाई दे वांट्स लेस फिक्स्ड कैपिटल एज कंपैरिजन टू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंसर्न. So second is scale of operation. If organization operates on large scale, then more fixed capital will require, and if the organization operating on a small scale, then there are need of not so much fixed capital. So for example, a large scale steel enterprises like TISCO required large investment as compared to mini steel plant. Third is choice of technique. An organization using capital intensive technique require more fixed capital, and if we are using the labor incentive technique, then we have a need of fixed capital is comparison to less in comparison to capital incentive techniques. So suppose जैसे हम चाहते हैं कि हम किसी कंपनी में कैपिटल ऐसी मशीनों को लगाएं जिनसे कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं, तो उन मशीन को परचेस करने में कॉस्ट लगेगी। हाँ सर बिल्कुल लगेगी। तो ये आपका कैपिटल इंसेंटिव टेक्निक है, तब आपको ज़्यादा कैपिटल लगाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मशीन आपको लानी पड़ेगी। यू हैव टू परचेज सम स्पेसिफिक मशीनरी, दैट्स वाई सो मच फंड विल ब्लॉक इन कैपिटल इंसेंटिव टेक्निक। और लेबर इंसेंटिव टेक्निक में आदमियों से काम करेंगे। अब एक एग्जांपल ले लीजिए, सपोज दैट आपको एक जगह गड्ढा खोदवाना है, तो आप जेसीबी, आपको यदि आप कैपिटल इंसेंटिव टेक्निक लगाएंगे तो आप जेसीबी से वो करेंगे। जेसीबी काफ़ी कॉस्टली आती है, और लेबर से काम कराएंगे तो आपको लेबर पे करना पड़ेगा। देन चॉइस ऑफ टेक्निक इज द फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग requirement of the fixed capital. Fourth is technology upgradation. Organization using asset which become obsolete faster require more fixed capital as compared to other organization. तो जिन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ज़्यादा जल्दी टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज होती रहती हैं तो उनको ज़्यादा फिक्स कैपिटल होता है, क्योंकि तुरंत अपग्रेडेशन हो जाता है। तो हमको क्या अपग्रेडेशन का यदि बहुत फास्टली होता है, रेकरिंग नेचर पे होता है, देन they have to invest in fixed capital, so fixed capital will required. And fifth is growth prospective. In growth prospectus, companies having more growth plan require more fixed capital. ज़्यादा ग्रोथ प्लान है, ज़्यादा हमको एक्सपेंशन करना है, कहीं और फैक्ट्री खोलनी है, तो हमको ज़्यादा फिक्स कैपिटल चाहिए ताकि हम ज़्यादा फिक्स्ड एसेट को परचेस कर पाएंगे। इन ऑर्डर टू एक्सपेंड प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी मोर प्लांट एंड मशीनरी आर रिक्वायर्ड, एंड फॉर द परचेज ऑफ मोर प्लांट एंड मशीनरी वी हैव टू रिक्वायर so much fixed capital. Okay, and six is diversification. If company goes for the diversification means company wants to deal in different type of product. At that time, so much fixed capital will require. And this is 6th point. In case a company goes for the diversification, then it will require more fixed capital to invest in fixed asset like plant and machinery. 7th is distribution channel. The firms which sell its product through wholesaler and retailer require less fixed capital. If company wants to deal direct with the customer, then they have to open a lot of you can say showrooms, etc. And for opening new showrooms, new branches, they have to invest in so much fixed capital. So fixed capital will required in the, it is affecting by the distribution channel. Collaboration. If companies are under collaboration, joint venture, then they need less fixed capital as they share plant and machinery with their collaborator. Suppose Hero and Honda joins together for producing motorcycles, then Hero can use the plant and machinery of Honda, and Honda can use the infrastructure of the Hero. Then both are able to use the resources of each other. That's why they need less fixed capital. And if they are separating their operation with each other, then each company will have to invest in fixed capital so much. Okay, I think this is enough for today. So thank you student, thank you so much.